Hello meat lovers, today I am sharing spicy beef yakni pulao recipe. I know you love it. First of all, drench 1 kilogram beef in enough water for 15 to 20 minutes to remove smell of the meat. After 20 minutes, throw away the water and let the meat dry. For pulao, also soak 700 grams rice in water for a half hour. To make yakni for the beef pulao, put meat in a pressure cooker. Place 1 onion, 1 garlic bunch, 15 grams ginger peas, 5 pieces of red chili whole, 2 pieces black cardamom, 2 sticks cinnamon, 5 pieces green cardamom, 7 pieces clove, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon coriander whole, 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 tablespoon saunf, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 leaf tezpat, and in the end pour 1.5 liter water. Give steam pressure for first 10 minutes at high flame and for another 10 minutes at medium flame. Turn off the flame and after 5 minutes open the cover. First remove meat pieces and then strain yakni with a strainer. Side by side, in a mortar, rough crush 25 grams garlic cloves, 15 grams ginger peas, 25 grams green chili, 1 tablespoon coriander whole, and 1 teaspoon jeera whole. Heat half cup cooking oil in a pan. Add 70 grams sliced onion and fry till golden brown. At this stage, add crushed mixture of ginger, garlic, and chili, which we prepared earlier, and fry all the contents for 2 minutes at medium flame. Now add beef pieces and fry the meat for another 3 minutes. Add 150 grams yogurt and keep frying till oil starts leaving the meat. Now pour yakni. Add 3 teaspoons salt, mix and let it boil for a while. And finally add 700 grams soaked rice. Add enough water so that rice and meat is fully drowned. Add a quarter of a teaspoon garam masala powder and cook for approximately 7 minutes. As you observe that water has disappeared from the sides of the pan, meaning that it has soaked well into rice and meat, cover and steam cook for 10 minutes at low flame, then turn off the flame. Spicy beef yakni pulao is ready. Dish out and enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos.